Launching pa. Oo. Tinuod na. So, anyway, dili na nato tason. We in the LGU Maria, together with all the councilors present here today, which is very cooperative in all the programs related to education. And not only that, naapatay ABC Plus program to really help mga frustrated readers. And also, we were able to get 40 million pesos from DPWH for the repair and rehabilitation of the different schools in which Mandawi National High School was able to get 5 million pesos for repair and rehabilitation. Yes. Always in our heart, all the schools, not only Mandawi National High Schools, but ingunanin ni naningkamot ang tanan, and we hope we will be able to improve the quality of education by mahinay-hinay nato no, decongest ang mga students. That's why next school year there will be